My name is Amy Barrett Daffin. I've learned so much about color from all of these different people.
If this is red and that's yellow, where can I find something that looks good in between? So I think doing it out of fabric just gives people more confidence.
Who says you can't just throw in a little color, hue, same thing, and add a little more interest to it?
I love working with quilts where you design and discover things along the way. I love not knowing the outcome and being able to work through different scenarios to figure out what to do.
Think of the adjectives that you would like to be used when people look at your quilts, and then start working towards how you can make that happen.
It's interesting to me to start out in the beginning making that decision. What kind of an emotional impact do I want to have? And my choice might be different than someone else's.
If you're going to use lots and lots of different colors in a quilt, you must put eye rest in between.
And I like the fact that you get somewhat movable lines, and I like the fact that the prints can move you through a composition. I embrace that.